Ronic Enterprises a business entity owned by your
one, isn't it? And then Rodi Enterprises Limited, we said that one is number, is it? I have come up with bond terms. Each accused may be released on bond of Kenya shillings 5 million with a surety of similar amount. In the alternative, each accused may be released on cash bail of Kenya shillings 2 million. And then the matter will be mentioned on the 23rd of May, the year 2024, before court number 1.
There being no compelling reasons, we shall hear from the prosecution. We urge the Honorable Court to consider, this is a very humble application, to consider releasing the accused persons on the police cash bail that has indeed procured the attendance at least 3 times so far.
My instructions are that prosecution is not opposing grant of bail, but we'll be praying that the court considers the amount that is involved in this matter and gives conditions that will ensure that the accused appear in court.